Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss some of the trending topics which is going in India right now. So let's discuss some of the national and international news right now. The second Corps commander level meeting between India and China began at a border meeting point in eastern Ladakh on Monday. In an effort to find out a peaceful way to end the tense face-off between the two armies since the last 1.5 months. This is the second such level meeting between the two armies within a month with the aim of resolving the crisis. The first meeting took place at the same site on June 6. However, the June 6 meeting was followed by a violent clash between the Indian and Chinese troops at Galwan Valley, the worst cross-border violence in 45 years. So the next topic is India is fighting two wars, Delhi CM Kejriwal has said. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Monday joined four of his counterparts against politicization of India-China border row after Prime Minister Narendra Modi came under attack for his controversial remarks during an all-party meeting, even as he appeared to support a conspiracy theory that the COVID-19 was man-made. During a digital address, Kejriwal said countries fighting two wars against China, one against the virus sent by China and another at the border, and this was not the time to do politics. Today, the country is fighting two wars against China. One is against the virus sent by China and second at the border. Our doctors and nurses are fighting against the virus while our soldiers are fighting against China at the border, Arvind Kejriwal said to the media. He said the whole country is with the healthcare workers and soldiers, and in these two wars, all countrymen should be united. There should not be any politics in this. This is not the time to play politics. The country has to fight unitedly against the Chinese at these borders at COVID-19, Kejriwal has added. The next topic is President Trump has sought new restrictions on visas. Trump said in a Fox News interview Saturday that he will announce new restrictions on various work visas Sunday or Monday. The plan won't affect certain workers who are already in the US. President Trump planned to restrict employment-based visas could affect an estimated 240,000 people seeking to work in the US across industries from technology to finance and hospitality. There will be very few exclusions, Trump said, when asked about upcoming rules on several different visa categories, including the H-1B program and high-skilled workers, the L-1 program for managers, for non-agriculture and temporary workers. These are the visas which is going to be affected. In some cases, you have to have exclusions. You need them for big businesses, where they have certain people that have been coming in for a long time, he said. One possibility under consideration would be restrict people from entering the US on visa categories, including the H-1B program, for as long as 180 days. Bloomberg News reported June 12, citing two people familiar with the proposal. Workers who are granted those visas but remain outside the country may not be able to enter until the order expires. Okay, the next topic is Reliance Industries become the first Indian market to attain $150 billion market capitalization. Reliance Industries on Monday became the first Indian firm to hit a market valuation of $150 billion, held by a continuous rally in its share price. Reliance Industries on Friday became the first Indian company to cross the Rs 11 lakh crore market valuation mark. Its market valuation crossed Rs 11 lakh crore in the previous section as its share price rallying over 6% after Mukesh Ambani announced that his oil to telecom conglomerate had become net debt free. Next topic is Maharashtra has put three Chinese projects worth Rs 5,000 crore on hold. In a significant decision, the Maharashtra government has put on hold three major agreements inked with Chinese companies last week in the wake of India-China border face-off. The memorandum of understanding was signed at the recent Magnetic Maharashtra 2.0 event. The proposed projects were entitled to investments of Rs 5,000 crore. We have taken this decision in consultation with the central government. These agreements were signed prior to the development of the India-China border and killing of 20 Indian soldiers, Industry Minister Subhesh Desai said. Next topic is Government notifies three-tier care system amid rising COVID-19 cases. With COVID-19 cases reaching a new high in the state every day, the government has realigned the infrastructure with three-tier patient care system. As per the latest order from the Directorate of the Health and Family Welfare Department, the COVID care centers will cater to asymptomatic patients. Considering that 75% of the COVID-19 positive cases were asymptomatic, the government has declared 3 new COVID care centers, which include 2 stadiums. The second level is the dedicated COVID health centers, which are meant for managing patients who have mild to moderate symptoms. The dedicated COVID healthcare centers will act as a health screening centers for classifying the cases, allotting the appropriate facility for them, and managing mild to moderate symptoms persons. Those with aggregated symptoms will be referred to dedicated COVID hospitals. The government has empaneled private hospitals for treatment and will continue to work as first shield for walk-in patients. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow with another video.